Speaking about design facade for every client that we have been concepted before, there are many types of design that we apply in Bali. But some regulation is keeping us with some detailed part that needs to be in line with the regulation that has been given by the government. So this is a big challenge for every designer, and especially in our team, we have many experience and many input from many clients. We have several concepts that really works with the regulation and still good in the market. So I'm Pradita Mapamangkara. We are going to discuss about the facade design for our client, Mr. Thomas and Mrs. Marieke. If we look at the layout that we apply here for the design concept, we have an L-shaped concept. So this type of design, like L-shaped building, is very good for the type of the land like this, like a rectangle. If you pay attention about the land, this is combined between a rectangle with the triangle on the right part a little bit. So this is a very unique shape of land, but it still can be maximized with the L-shaped building. If you can see, one side of the building is attached on the border, and the other area we have some spare space to keep the lights in, to keep all the installation there on the back, and some air circulation. This is very important of design concept in terms of getting a very healthy house and a very proper light. So this is going to be maximized all the room there that has been designed. So this L-shaped building, the good thing here, if you can see here on the layout, all the view from every area goes right into the pool area. So this is the good benefit if we apply the concept design with an L shape. And if we pay attention to the facade, to the 3D, we won't see the roof part here. So the request from the client there, they really want to have the concept of Mediterranean style combined a little bit with the tropical. And from our team, we want to have everything secure. So later when they will apply the PBG or LSLF for the permit, they will still get everything correctly and they won't have the problem in the permit department later. So we made some concept on the roof that is hidden here. As you can see here, and on the top part, there's a bold part on the bulkhead. So that's going to be cover the roof. So this is really good. It still brings the feelings of Mediterranean concept. You can see the fence, we had an element from the woods, but from the window and door. So this is very important also. If you don't have a roof part that's going to cover your balcony, windows and door, it's very dangerous if the water goes to the windows part and door part that can be leaked, goes through inside of the building. So we need to use a very proper and sealed windows and door. The good material that we apply here is UPVC. That's the best that we can apply for the design, because as you can see, the UPVC door and windows, it's almost like a car door, with the rubber seal on the joint there. When you close the door, it's properly sealed. This is going to help also to keep the air condition inside of the building very steady or stable, because the insulation that we applied, since we're using UPVC, is very nice. It maximizes everything from the temperature inside. It's going to be easy to get cool. For the water resistant, if it's rain, the water won't coming to inside. It's really different if you're using wood. And we very suggested if we apply a design like this, like a Mediterranean concept without the roof part that goes outside more, it's really good if we have the door or windows swing, not sliding, because sliding door will have like a gap a little bit. So this can be a problem later when it's rain and the water can come inside. Anything else than that, as you can see here on the facade design, the element that we apply is steel wood, like natural color. The shape of the pool also following the land shape compared to the building. So this is very maximize everything. And this building will have two access. As I mentioned before in the previous video, they have the car access on the back. This is actually on the back area. The front area is actually on the back of this building. So that can be accessible by a motorcycle later. So that's about the facade design that we apply for Mr. Thomas and Mrs. Marieke. This building has been built by another contractor that they choose themselves, and I think it's already finished. Maybe later we can see the house, the result and everything, because it's quite a long time that we never contact together. But I think the building's already been finished. The good thing that I saw that before the last time, all the structure has been complete, so they just need to go with the finishing part. And please remember, if you do a design concept for facade, please remember to put a very good roof system, because this is going to be work with the permit department later, how we can get the permit service easily. So you need to put the roof part, and remember to use a very good windows and door system, so it sealed everything there when it's rain. Because in Bali we only have 2 seasons. Indonesia, Asia area only have 2 seasons, so this is very important. Okay guys, I think that's it for now. The discussion about the facade design that we applied for Mr. Thomas and Mrs. Marieke. Stay tuned in our channel. Let's check it out for other project. Bye bye.